Go play with your Barbie girls. Why did you expose that I like Barbie girls? Wow. Dead.
The station is interrupted because actually this is inappropriate.
Alright.
Yeah, you shouldn't really.
Bro, can you shut up? Like kids are watching this right now, bro.
You shaky bad one. I'm telling the teacher. And you know you can get detention, right?
I do not care. Your ratio, bozo.
What does that mean?
That means nothing. Yeah, nothing too bad. Totally nothing so bad, right? Yeah, just don't be a nerd anymore.
You're calling me a nerd? Actually, I'm a smart kid.
All right, then prove it.
Teacher, I'm smart, right?
Of course you are.
See, I'm the smart kid.
Right, last proof. Can I borrow your homework?
What? You wrote you're gonna borrow your homework? I'm telling the teacher.
Nerd moment. Cut off 4K, bozo. Now back to a regularly scheduled program. You know what happens when he sleeps? What? He snores like a pig. Yeah, I think that's too scary to him. Most likely. Bro, wake up. We must not let him sleep. That's the spirit. Agad,
can I sleep now?
No, go brush your teeth. Your teeth are so yellow.
Okay.
God, jeez, get away. Done. Your tooth is now green. What's wrong with my teeth?
Huh?
I'm sleeping. Well, if you don't want me to go to my bedroom, I'm sleeping on the floor.
Actually, I'm still here.
Subscribe.